That is very chaotic. Ujam has created this really cool new delay effect plugin, and it's kind of a delay. It's kind of a multi-effect plugin, and it's really awesome. Let's take a look at it. It can really add life and interest to your tracks. So I got this really basic pad here. Pretty cool. But what if we added some blurry sweetness to it from their dreamy preset? Pretty cool. You also got this mix, so we can blend it in how we want. That's pretty cool. Ducking. So it can dampen some of that. So it only comes in when the dry signal leaves, which this is a sustained pad, so you're not going to really notice that too much. So we got this delay here, pretty simple with a time. Spread, interesting. We can get the dampening, modulation, feedback. And then you got this cool filter and finisher tool over here. So this filter can add all kinds of really cool effects to your sound. Like what if we wanted to like lo-fi it? Bit crush it, saturate it, amp it, fuzz it, tube it, megaphone, telephone. Of course we can blend that in. That'd be cool to like automate in. And then we got vibrato as well at this finisher here. So you got like gating, different multi-effects. You got ambience effects, all kinds of really cool stuff in here to affect the character. Glitch effects. That's pretty cool. So it's not really a delay, as you can hear. It's like a multi-cool effect with delay options. So let's try some other presets. Breathe in reverse. Ooh. Completely changed the tone, which is pretty cool. Ooh, fairy song. Ooh. Oh, that could definitely be cool to like automate in here as it's like building up. Yeah, that'd be cool. I've got this little guitar here. By the way, if you ever find yourself struggling to actually finish your songs, or they don't sound really professional, or they don't stack up with your favorite artist and you're wondering what's wrong, well, I really recommend you grab my rapid song finishing checklist. It's my complete mixing system. It's a proven step-by-step formula for mixing your songs so they sound professional and so that you can actually get songs done and finish more music. This is absolutely amazing and completely free. You can grab it in the description below. Go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. There's also some really handy cheat sheets in there on how to EQ all of your different instruments and how to compress your different instruments, like what ratio to use, what attack and release settings to use, all for your different main instruments, so you never have to be confused or wonder what to do to get the sound you're looking for. So definitely grab this completely free in the description below. Back to the video. So here's just clean. It's like your typical delay. So you got your basic delays up here, then you got your like cool stuff over here. So vintage digital, what if we did vintage dotted eighth note? Interesting. Vintage tape. Increase the feedback. It's also guitar here. 80s guitar. That sounds nice. Deep sea guitar. That's pretty cool. It's really a way to create movement and more variety and textures to these effects versus like just putting on like a flanger or something. Let's go back to the cast. Enjoy the chaos. That is very chaotic. Definitely can mangle stuff with these. Ooh. I'm planning on making a more like dark synth horror type album. So this might come in handy, some of these. I really like the 80s guitar. Let's try the pads. Beyond the delay. Interesting. Definitely just gives you more interesting textures to work with. And what about vocals? So we got some delay here, soft tape delay. Try vocals. Analog vox. Let's pull the ducking up. Pretty cool. Backing vocal. Ooh, kind of cool. That would be a nice backing. Pop vocal. So you can hear it's really nice when the vocal drops out and you have the ducker up here so that it only comes in those gaps. It's not a super strong ducker because you're still kind of hearing it in the background there. It's definitely a nice tail there. So maybe just like pull this down. We also got vocal doubler, vocal room, vocal voice splitter, vox from above. So definitely some cool sounds in here. It's a really awesome plugin. If you want to get it for yourself, just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/Ujam Delay. And you can try this out for yourself. Now, if you want to check out another really cool Ujam plugin, their filter plugin that lets you create all kinds of really cool filter multi-effects, then check out that video on the screen right now. With that, have an awesome day. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.